In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to-do lists with Notion Calendar View. This integration is an efficient way to streamline your tasks and keep track of deadlines all in one place. Whether you use Notion for work, study, or personal productivity, linking your to-do list with a calendar can significantly enhance your organizational skills. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to set up your Notion database if you haven't done so already. Think of this as creating a hub where all your information will reside. Open up Notion and create a new page. From there, you have the option to set up a database in either table or board view. Tables are typically more detailed, whereas boards can give a broader overview. Ensure that you have at least one date property established within this database, as this will be crucial for linking with your calendar later. This step sets the foundation, so take your time to organize your entries in a way that makes sense to you. Now you're ready to create a calendar view in Notion. With the database open, click on Add a View at the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Calendar as your view type. You can give this calendar view a custom name for easy reference. The calendar will automatically use the date property you've previously set up to organize your tasks by day. Seeing your tasks laid out on a calendar provides a visual understanding of your schedule, helping you to prevent overlap and manage your time better. The final step is linking your tasks to the Notion calendar. Open the to-do list you want to keep track of. Each item on your list should have a date property. If it doesn't, make sure to add one. This property will serve as a link between your to-do list and the calendar view. By assigning dates to each task, they'll automatically populate into the calendar you've created. This step is where everything comes together. You'll be able to open your calendar and see all your tasks laid out over the days, allowing you to monitor deadlines, plan ahead, and manage priorities more effectively. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully connected your to-do list with the Notion calendar view. This will not only improve your productivity, but also help you maintain a comprehensive overview of your tasks and deadlines. Remember, the key is consistency. Regularly updating your to-do list and adjusting your calendar ensures that you're always on top of what needs to be done. So, that's it. You've connected your to-do list to the Notion calendar view. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you get more organized and productive.